Good morning, my dear Vedantians. And this is Satya Srinivas from Palakonda, a small town in Srikakulam district from the state Andhra Pradesh. I had completed my post graduation as a Master of Science from the subject Mathematics from the University Sri Krishna Devaraya. I have been teaching mathematics since 2013, and my main motto to become a teacher it is a teacher has a chance to learn everything. A teacher is a student in his daily life to know the new things, to transform those new things to his students, and to innovate the new methods in his teaching. And the second main motto is a teacher can create any other professional. Simply, a teacher can create a banking personnel, a teacher can create an engineer, a teacher can create a teacher can create a doctor, a teacher can create an IT professional. So, in this morning, we have a concept to discuss here from the topic trigonometry, um, which is in class 10 CBSE. So, in trigonometry, the main thing is to know the measurements of sides and magnitudes of the angles. For that purpose, we have to use some ratios. Those are called trigonometric ratios. For that, we have to consider an acute angle called angle YAX, which has its initial side as AX ray and its terminal side as AY ray, and T is any point on its terminal side, and we have to draw a perpendicular from P on AX. Then we have a right angle triangle AMP. In that right angle triangle, we have a base called as AM, which is equal to X, a perpendicular called PM, which is equal to Y, and hypotenuse as AP, which is equal to R. And the acute angle as angle PAM. So now we have 6 trigonometric ratios called as sine theta, cosine theta, tangent theta, cosecant theta, secant theta, cotangent theta. We have their versions here and their ratios here. That is the first one, sine theta, that equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse, where PM by AP that equal to Y by R. We can write it as sin theta, read it as usual sine theta. Second one is cosine theta, which is equal to base by hypotenuse. That means AM by AP means of X by R. We can write it as cos theta, treat it as cos theta. The third one is tangent theta, that equal to perpendicular by base, which means PM by AM that equal to Y by X. We can write it as tan theta and read it as tan theta. And the fourth one is cosecant theta, which is equal to hypotenuse by perpendicular. That means AP by PM, that equal to R by Y. We can write it as cosec theta and read it as cosecant theta or cosec theta. The fifth one is secant theta, which is equal to hypotenuse by base, that equal to AP by AM, that equal to R by X, that equal to SEC theta. We can write it as SEC theta and read it as secant theta. And the sixth one is cotangent theta, that equal to base by perpendicular, that equal to AM by PM, that equal to X by Y, and we can write it as COT theta and read it as cot theta. These 6 trigonometric ratios having the wide usage in this chapter trigonometry. We can get the relations between these ratios, and we can find the angle of elevations, we can find the angle of depressions, And we have so many applications of these. So thank you for hearing my concept, and this is the end.